Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bagsofstylz. As you guys can see, we have an unboxing. So excited. Anyway, if you guys are new to my channel, what are you waiting on? Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Come join the family. We talk about everything bag related, from contemporary all the way to luxury. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. And let's get into this unboxing. Okay guys, so as you can see, this on the other side, it has my address, so I just put it on the back end. But we do have another unboxing. This wasn't, you know what, before I even do any explanation, let's open this real quick and then I will get to the explanation. Okay, so as you guys can see, I got my box cutter. Okay. Ooh, this is the, sorry for the shaking. So let's see. So it's on the opposite end, forgive me. So let's pack this open. Ready? And I did get this from Saks Fifth Avenue, from my amazing SA Yuri. So let's move that box out the way. As you guys can see, the dust bag, it's a Valentino bag. But can you guys guess what kind of bag it is? Well, I'm not sure if you can see with the tag. But without any further ado, let's get into this. And let's open this up. Guys, take a guess. You probably know what it is. But let's get it. Alrighty. So 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. Can you guys see what this is? Oh my God. Let's see. Guys. Oh my goodness. I don't know if this is coming across the way it's supposed to come across. Oh my goodness. So I did order this from Saks Fifth Avenue. My amazing essay, or my amazing personal stylist Yuri showed this to me, and I was like, OMG. Guys, look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, so I have all of the Valentino paperwork inside of here. Okay, so it's not stuffed, but it does come with the dust bag. And this was the last, I think this was the last one. He had to actually order it. And it got shipped exact from the warehouse, because he had one on hand and that sold when he first showed it to me. Because I was like, let me think about it. Just because I have this bag, and I'm going to show you guys the bag. So this, as you can see, is in this gold. Oh my God. Can you guys see this? It's like a metallic gold, but then it's like it kind of have like scale on here. Oh my God, this is beautiful. And even the hardware is a little bit different from the traditional one. Let me see if I can focus it right here. It kind of look like it's crinkly, like the hardware. It's way different. Like, oh my God, this metallic gold is beautiful. Guys, I'm just like trying to inspect it while I open it like this. Oh, guys. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. And this is a limited edition too. Just a FYI. So if you are interested in this one, it's not at the Valentino on the Valentino website. I think this was like a limited edition that is sold out everywhere. So it's sold out on all of the department store, because I was checking to see, and the original price of this was actually $4,200, guys. That was the original price. Guys, I paid 70% off this bag, which is ridiculous. I don't know if you would put my receipt, but I paid, I'll put it on the screen how much I paid. but it was 75% off the 4200, guys. Yes. Like, oh my God, he showed me this and I died. Like, I don't have any metallic, whether it's gold or silver. No, I don't think I have any metallic. Well, I do have like the Dior one, which is kind of like that. Um, it's like a grayish, but it's not really metallic, but it has like the shine to it. But like a metallic color bag, I don't have it. So when I saw this gold, oh my God, I was like, I need this bag in my collection. Guys, look at this. I am, I didn't know how to feel. I'm not even going to lie to you guys. I really did not know if I was going to like this bag. I'm not even going to lie to you. I was like, I'm going to order it, see it when it comes, if I like it. If I don't like it, I'm going to return it. But guys, this, I don't know. I don't know what material they use. Like, I don't know what material Valentino used for this. Like, I'm really trying to figure it out. And on here, as you guys can see right here, see, this is the original price. So you guys know. Sorry if I can focus in. That's the original price right here. So you see what it says? It says is the Valentino medium shoulder antique. I think it's antique. Obviously it's like metallic gold. But as you can see, it was 4,200, guys. $4,200 when this came out, and the gold. Oh my God! Like, I am still trying to figure out what kind of leather this is. I really don't know what kind of leather it is, and how they were actually able to make it where it looked like it's like a scaly kind of thing. I really don't know, but this is really beautiful. Like, this is really, really, really beautiful. Oh my God. Let's take a look. Let's see. Okay. Let me see. These are the Valentino cards. Guys, I'm just amazed. So I think, yeah, so this is just in all of the care cards, I think. Goodness, let's see. Is this a care card? Yep, all of these are care cards. Guys, I'm in awe right now. Like, I really am, because first of all, I was like, I might not keep it. I don't know if I like it. But guys, this is just so unique. Oh, so it's just all of the care cards. That's all here this is. Yeah, because I was trying to see if it has anything about the type of material it is, but I don't know. I'll probably have to do some more research to see what kind of material they made it with, and then I'll put it on the screen so you guys can know if you're ever looking for this bag. And also, just the FYI, because I want to kind of show you guys, just so you see that I do have this bag. You guys know I've talked about this bag so much. I haven't. This one, I got this from Rebag. So that this one is just like the traditional Valentino woman stud. This one is like a special edition. But as you guys can see right here, let me see. I think it is the same exact size. Yeah, so it looks like it's the same exact size, because it does have the three. Yep, it's the same exact size. So which means this is a medium as well, as you can see right here. So this is a medium, and this is the one I got from Rebag. This is the one that I just got from my Saks personal stylist, Yuri. Oh my God, guys, look at, I don't know. I'm in awe. I'm in awe of this one, honestly speaking. Like, and I know this was not on the list of and I said probably this might be a low buy year and stuff like that. I was trying so hard to stick to my wish list. But guys, with the 75% off and just how amazing this bag looked, I had to pick it up. I had to add it to my collection. Like, just the design of it is just so different. It's like, I don't even know how to describe it. And look at the gold on here. Oh my God. Oh, I don't even know how to feel right now. This is beautiful. And you got the inside part right here. You got the zipper. Obviously, it's just a big open compartment. So you got one right here, and then you got the open pocket right here, and then you got the zipper on the back. That's really it. But so this is what the bag look like, and it's basically the same exact bag, just in this beautiful different color. So this I did stuff it, and it's just like with the Roman stud. You have the back pocket on here, the zipper, and then you got the big back pocket here. That's really it. Beside that, so I have another bag to add to my, I guess, my collection of, I love this so much I bought it twice. And I just did that video, what, a couple of weeks back. Bags that I love so much I had to buy it multiple times. So anyway, guys, this was the video for today. I just wanted to do this quick unboxing just so you guys see that I added this beauty to my collection. I have to stuff it up so it looked just like this. But guys, thank you so much for the continuing support. And I will see. And if you guys have any question about this bag, let me know. I know it's sold out because I did try to do a research before I actually purchased it. I know it's sold out everywhere. So, and I'm not sure if you can get this on the pre-love market because I did kind of search for it, but I don't think you can get this on the pre-love market because I didn't see anywhere that had this exact design. They do have gold, obviously, in the Valentino woman stuff, but in a different thing. Now with this one that kind of have like the little scale kind of thing on it, and with it being a metallic gold. So I haven't seen this even come up on the pre-love market at all. So I don't know if it was a department exclusive that Valentino did for all the department store. I'm not 100% sure, but I'll put as much information below as I can find. And that's the video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.